How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick video on how to install trailer lights for under 30 bucks. Comes with all the wiring, blinkers, everything you need. So let's get out there and do it. So this is what comes with the kit. You have two backlights with the blinkers built into them, two clearance/running lights, some wiring, and some connectors. So what we're gonna do is replace the old lights. On this side it broke off, so I'm just gonna take that little piece of the bracket that's left there off and replace it with the new light. If you don't have anything set up to mount these on your trailer, it's basically just a piece of angle iron with a couple holes drilled in it. Super simple to fab up if that's something you need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these lights switched over so that we can start wiring this trailer. So here we got the lights installed in the trailer. We did that on both sides here and went ahead and ran the 4-prong wire for the trailer plug all the way through the frame. As you can see, that way it's nice and protected and isn't gonna get ripped out or anything. And then I went ahead and drilled a few holes here to mount our clearance lights because there wasn't any mounting for them set up on the trailer already. And then, you know, just came out, ran underneath the trailer and over to our trailer plug right here. So now that I kind of have it all in place, we're gonna go ahead and start wiring up each part. The green wire and the brown wire, that is for the right side of the trailer, and the yellow and brown wires for the left side of the trailer. So we're gonna go ahead and wire the right side of the trailer first, starting with the clearance light and then moving back to the brake and blinker. So I'm gonna start out by installing an eyelet onto our ground here. Then I'm gonna cut these wires back a little bit. Then we're going to connect the green wires together. Then we'll take the two brown wires, connect them together. Then we'll take the clearance light and connect it into the brown wire here. Now we can shove all our wiring back into the frame. Take some self-tapping screws and run those through the light, through our ground. We're going to ground that off to the frame. Tighten it down. Same on the other side. And there we go. Those are installed. Now we'll move on to the backlights. So for the backlights, we're just going to connect the brown wire to the brown wire and the green wire to the green wire. Now we can shove the extra wire back up into the frame. And then we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. So we just got this side all wired up. So that's all good to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install our ground on the trailer here. I'm just gonna use the bolt from the jack, and we're gonna hook up a ground, and then that'll be it. time to hook this thing up to the truck and see if everything works. Okay, so we got everything wired up. There's the blinkers there. They work good. You got your side running lights. Come around to the other side. These ones are all wired up too. And then clearance lights on the side of the trailer. So for 30 bucks, that's a pretty cool little set of lights. Comes with everything you need. Only thing I got that didn't come with the kit was these little connectors and the little eyelet pieces for the grounds. I like them a whole lot more than the Scotch locks that they come with. So for a couple extra bucks, I went ahead and purchased some other electrical connectors. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hope that helped you out and you were able to get your trailer wired up. Thanks for watching.